What is cirrhosis? Cirrhosis develops when scar tissue replaces normal, healthy tissues in your liver. It happens after the healthy cells are damaged over a long period of time, usually many years. There is no cure for cirrhosis except a liver transplant, but you and your doctor can slow cirrhosis down by treating whatever is causing it. Common causes of cirrhosis. The most common causes of cirrhosis in the United States are long-term viral hepatitis C infection and chronic alcohol abuse. Obesity is also a cause of cirrhosis, although it is not as prevalent as alcoholism or hepatitis C. Obesity can be a risk factor by itself or in combination with alcoholism and hepatitis C. Hepatitis C can be contracted through sexual intercourse or exposure to infected blood or blood products. It's possible to be exposed to infected blood through contaminated needles of any source, including tattooing, peering, intravenous drug abuse, and needle sharing. Hepatitis C is rarely transmitted by blood transfusion in the United States due to rigorous standards of blood bank screening. Other important causes of cirrhosis include hepatitis B. Hepatitis B can cause liver inflammation and damage that can lead to cirrhosis. Hepatitis D. This type of hepatitis can also cause cirrhosis. It's often seen in people who already have hepatitis B. Inflammation caused by autoimmune disease. Damage to the bile products which function to drain bile. Disorders that affect the body's ability to handle iron and copper. Symptoms of cirrhosis. Number 1, decreased appetite. Number 2, nosebleeds. Number 3, jaundice. Number 4, small spider shaped arteries underneath the skin. 5, weight loss. 6, anorexia. 7, itchy skin. 8, confusion and difficulty thinking clearly. Number 9, abdominal swelling, as we know, ascites. Number 10, swelling of the legs, as we know, edema. Number 11, importance. How cirrhosis is diagnosed. Number 1, complete blood count. Number 2, coagulation of blood test. Number 3, albumin. Number 4, liver function test. Additional tested by which you can diagnose cirrhosis. Number 1, upper endoscopy. Number 2, ultrasound scan of the liver. Number 3, MRI of abdomen. Number 4, CT scan of the abdomen. Number 5, liver biopsy. Complications from cirrhosis. Number 1, kidney failure. Number 2, liver cancer. Number 3, insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. Number 4, hepatic encephalopathy. Number 5, gallstones. Number 6, esophageal varices. Number 7, enlarged spleen, splenomegaly. Number 8, edema and ascites. Treatment of cirrhosis. Treatment for cirrhosis varies based on what caused it and how far the disorder has progressed. Some treatments your doctor might prescribe include: number 1, beta blockers or nitrates for portal hypertension. Number 2. Quitting drinking if the cirrhosis is caused by alcohol. Number 3. Bending procedures used to control bleeding from esophageal varices. Number 4. Intravenous antibiotics to treat peritonitis that can occur with ascites. Number 5. Hemodialysis to purify the blood of those in kidney failure. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe our channel for next videos. Thank you. Bye bye. Stay with us.